So it's December 31st. It's my last chance to do what I want to do today. I don't know why. I was just like, I want to do it before the end of the year. Last time I was here, I was too scared. And it is scary because it's just like, if I screw up, I could lose my drone, my action cam, and like a whole pile of stuff. And this is my first time flying with an action cam on a drone. Fun fact, the Crux 35 can carry a Runcam 5 and it stays under sub 250 with the batteries and everything. Eventually I'm planning to make a naked Runcam 5, but until then, if I even have a Runcam 5 after this, so hopefully this works. And if it does, give me a like, and if I lose my drone, give me a like too, because I'll probably need it. Anyways, when we hit 200 subscribers, I'm gonna do the Baby Hawk frame giveaway, so if you want to get in on that, go find that video and like it and comment. Okay, see ya. Let's do this. My mission is to get in that hole without dying.
Excuse me, what are you doing? Huh? No!
So, I did it. I went through the hole like 3 times, maybe 4. A couple times were a little whatever. One time was perfect. And then the 4th time, I smacked into it and lost my drone. The battery disconnected, so I lost video and everything, so poop.